Hey everyone, let's learn about age-related macular degeneration or AMD with Picmonic today. I'm going to play the Picmonic video and then at the end we'll take the quiz together to see what we've learned.
Age-related macular degeneration, or AMD, is described in this Picmonic as the old Mac Dracula degenerating, looking for a new place to sleep in his coffin. See, there are two types of macular degenerations: dry, which is non-exudative, and is represented as the dry sun eating away at Dracula as he lays in his old eye coffin. The other type is wet, or exudative, and is described as the wet cloud that Dracula summoned to make the blood vessels rise and cool him off in the next eye. So Dracula decided it was time to find a new home, and he gets on his scotoma scooter and hits the road, describing scotomas, or an altered field of vision patients can develop. Vision can be described as blurred or darkened, shown by the blurry and darkened eye on the road. There was a darkened center in the eye, describing that patients can have a loss of central vision. Distorted vision is also a common complaint with age-related macular degeneration, and this is illustrated by the distorted eye distorting the road. Considerations for treatment include drug therapy with anti-angiogenic medications, shown as the med bottles treating old Dracula after he rode off the cliff. Surgery is another option for patients, and this is shown as the surgeon with the scalpel this Dracula tried to call after finding him in a phone book. Unfortunately, he couldn't read the phone number because of his vision, so he used a low vision magnifier, describing that patients should use low vision assistive devices. So in short, age-related macular degeneration can be dry, which is non-exudative. It can also be wet, which is exudative. Signs and symptoms include scotomas, blurred, darkened vision, loss of central vision, and distorted vision. Considerations for patients include drug therapy, surgery, or low vision assistive devices.
All right, let's start the quiz. Okay, first question. Which of the following clinical features is most commonly seen in age-related macular degeneration? If you need a minute to answer the question, you can hit pause at any time. I remember this Picmonic here, the distorted eyeball, so I'm going to go with distortion of vision. And there you go. Which of the following clinical features is most commonly seen in age-related macular degeneration? And the first one here, blurred and darkened vision. If you remember the blurred and darkened eyeball Picmonic there, so I'm going to go with that. Patients often complain of blurred and darkened vision with AMD. Next question. Which form of macular degeneration is characterized by the accumulation of yellow pigment causing obstruction of retinal capillaries? In here, the dry sun, so dry, non-exudative. All right, you can hit pause here. There's great info from Picmonic there, so you can go ahead and read that. With some resources. Which is a treatment option for age-related macular degeneration. Okay, and then out of all these answers here, I remember the magnifying glass, so the low vision assistive devices. Several low vision assistive devices can be used to augment the remaining vision. These include devices such as magnifiers, large print books, and talking watches or clocks. All right, so there's 5 more questions left on this Picmonic quiz for AMD. Click the link below to check us out and to test yourself with our spaced repetition quizzes. Thank you so much for watching and learning with us today. Bye.